So, this is the part one of a short three-part series I'm going to do on how you set up the Git for our project in Unity. Let me just move the recording software out of the way real quick. There we go, that's a better place for it. Okay, so the first step is you need to get the actual GitHub asset, which you can do from the asset store once it actually connects. There we go. So go, in this case it's in my asset. Don't use this one. This one's a piece of shit. We're going to use the official one. This one. Everything seems to be good here. Alright, so let's import it. Go away, wholesome memes. That's for later. So, now, this will take a minute to install, so go ahead and take a drink of water, or something. And in a second, the plugins folder should appear right there. It is. Okay, so now we've got the GitHub client in here. So the first step is to initialize a repository for this project. So we will do this, and all of this stuff is extraneous, so we need to get rid of it. First, by committing it, that basically just gets it out of here, so it doesn't conflict when we try to get rid of all of that. Alright, now that that's all out of the way, now we need to actually set up the remote, which is my GitHub. So we will put that here, and I'll put this URL in the description so that you can actually copy it. So we'll save that, and then... Excellent. Okay, so now we're actually ready to go get the stuff. The first step is we need to actually download stuff off the remote repository in the cloud by hitting fetch. And there we go. Okay. Now, the problem with this is we have all of this stuff here. So we need to blow that all away and replace it with the actual project. So the way you do that is you go to the command line, and you can't see it, but I'll type the command in the description because there's only one. You will need to type git space reset space -- hard space origin / master. Again, I will put this in the description, and it's the only command you will have to enter. So, once you do that, it'll freeze for a second, and then it will say head is now at, and some hexadecimal, and whatever the name of the current commit is, in this case, bug fixes. And now, if we go to here, and click back into Unity, it will reload, and it'll ask you, do you want to reload the scenes? Click reload, and would you look at that? We have all of our stuff. Just click 2D mode, and there you go. Now you're ready to roll. That concludes the first part of this tutorial. Get ready for part 2, committing.